if that is what will save our youth, waache kutumiwa kuingizwa kwa mambo kama ya Mungiki, as leaders we must take responsibility and make the hard decisions. And Your Excellency, in closing, I want to encourage you. Be encouraged together with our President to make all the hard decisions so that we rescue the next generation of this country, so that our youth will no longer be misused in gangs and sects like Mungiki na ile mambo mnaona ikitokea huko Shakahola. Na nataka nikubaliana na Mheshimiwa Kagushia. Your Excellency, tumesema hata huko tumetoka Baringo na Uasin Gishu. The last handshake regime, close to 600 Kenyans disappeared mysteriously. A number of them, about 200 of them, their bodies were being fished from River Yala, River Tana, wengine miili ilikuwa natupwa Abadea, wengine Savo. And I asked Your Excellency, what coincidence is there that a government that had a national intelligence service and administration in every corner of this republic never got wind of Mackenzie slaughtering people and burying them in Shakahola? There could be a chance, and we want the CS Interior and DCI, to investigate whether there is a correlation between the Shakahola massacre and the extrajudicial killings that were perpetuated during the handshake regime. Inawezekana ile serikali walitumia maybe Mackenzie kuwasaidia kuficha miili ya wale walikuwa naua kupitia kwa DCI Kinoti. I am not saying it is that way, but it is a possibility. Nikigegegituma ate thirikari miaka hakuhe 8 ndiamenyaga andu makiria ma magana makiuragwo na magithikagwo. No thirikari yo ekorirwo, it was part and parcel of that massacre. Gyo turauga na ona makiinaina makigeria gukiria Mungiki. And I have said it before without fear of contradiction. Uhuru Kenyatta knows the buck stopped at his desk as Commander-in-Chief. Extrajudicial killings were perpetuated under Uhuru Kenyatta in this country.